Hey, if you're looking at when altcoins are about to pop off and go hyperbolic, then you came to the right video. We're going to be looking in this video, basically the time charts of when altcoins exploded right after the halving. And so I'm here on TradingView and we're looking at all the coins in the cryptocurrency world, excluding the top 10 crypto coins. So basically everything else down below the top 10 of all crypto coins. And you can see the second halving happened July 9th, 2016. And it happened in July 11th of 2016. And so if you go down to when this is where kind of the altcoins took off after the halving, and you go from July, August, so July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So this already took like a whole year. So July, August, September, October, November, December. So kind of around December, it started to really, really go. So, this was a little over a year after the halving. And basically right here, it started to take off and we went 844%. But as you could see, it just started going shorter and shorter this time span. So this third halving happened May 11th, 2020. And you can see May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So it was only about, a few months after the halving that it just really went crazy. And so you could see the growth that we had for this altcoin run was over 1,000%. And if we get to the all-time high, 1,200%. So that was, May all the way to December. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 7 months. And if we go here now, the fourth halving that happened April 20th, and it is now November. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. So we're 7 months. We're right at that point where from the last halving where these absolutely took off, and it's already starting to get some momentum. Bitcoin has already reached its all-time high from this video, reaching over 90,000. And so I think we're at a really, really good time for altcoin season to start popping off. And I think we're gonna go more than that 1,000% area. So I'm thinking 1,300 to 1,500%. Probably I might be shooting a little low with this as well. So I just want to see. So that could take us into, the 3.6 trillion mark area. Uh, this could be, me being really optimistic at the same time, but just what we've seen from past kind of cycles and everything, that could really, really be um the what it's gonna be at. So this is the all-time high, and we're currently right here, and we could see it go way, way, way up here. Even if it went to like, a 233% raise, it's gonna be nuts. So hopefully you guys are in your altcoins right now. I'm into AI and gaming, kind of my main ones. I got a bunch of meme coins as well, but in the next video, we're going to be talking about kind of my plays on all of that. So we're about to pop off, right? This is it. This is the altcoin kind of going to start catching up with Bitcoin's run up. So this is going to be a fun time ahead of us going into 2025.